Hey guys, so today I thought I'd take you with me while I work on my car. The fuel gauge has completely stopped working. It doesn't do a self check when the car first starts up, how it should. Go all the way to maximum, fall back, and then the gas gauge would level up where it should be while the car's idling. No response from it at all anymore. So rather than take the chance of running out of gas and trying to guess how much gas I have all the time, and to save myself $20, no, just kidding, to save myself $200, I'm going to try to pull this old one out, clean it up a little bit, and see if that solves the problem. And if not, then I'll just have to bite the bullet and buy a brand new one. All right, let's go. So for starters, you can see that there's these lock tabs that hold the back seat down, because that's what we want to get here is out of the back seat. You have to pull these forward pretty freaking hard in order to snap the seat out. So now you can see, got the seat disconnected. I can pull it up here and show you this is where we want to get to, right here. Now it has these cover screws that actually turn the wrong way. This cover. Oh, look how dirty that is. No wonder. That's incredibly dirty. I brought out a wet rag because I expected there to be some dirt. This all has to be cleaned up before I undo these screws because you don't want this dirt falling into your fuel tank. At least I don't. So I'm going to clean this mess up. Okay, I've gotten it cleaned off about as best as I can get it. Got my screws pulled out, and this is it. Thank God I got a bunch of gas in there still. And to tell you the truth, it doesn't even look that dirty. It actually looks pretty good to me. So I'm not sure what the problem is. I'm really not convinced that cleaning it's going to help me any. Okay, so I put everything back together, and I'll show you what I mean on the dash because I don't expect anything to change. It was totally clean. I think the sensor is just completely failed. It went without any warning or anything. I was just hoping. So, crappy lighting. This is the fuel gauge. There's a lot of gas, but it's going to say that I'm at, it won't even move. When I start up, you'll see the other gauges self-check. This one won't even bother. See what I mean? And this time it actually died. But still, nothing on the gas gauge. Looks like the back door's open. And then it'll say, besides that, tells me that I have no gas, 0 miles left with the warning light. So I guess it's going to be a $200 repair for me. Woohoo! Can't wait. And with 136,000 miles, I can't lie and say I'm not a little bit disappointed. I feel like this is more of a 236,000 mile thing for Nissan, but especially being an Infiniti. Alrighty, well, there you have my failed attempt to do something today. I got motivated. I did something. It didn't work out, but plus now I know how easy it is. It really is easy to change that, even though it's expensive. It's an easy part to change. All right. Thank you.